Your internet might not actually be slow. And the crazy part? You could be losing over 70% of your Wi-Fi speed because of just 2 wrong settings hiding inside your router. No expensive upgrades. No new internet package. No tech skills needed. In the next few minutes, I'll show you the exact changes that can dramatically boost your internet speed for gaming, streaming, downloads, video calls, and every device in your home. And yes, this works even if your router is old. Here's the problem most people don't realize. Your Wi-Fi router is constantly competing with every nearby network around you. Your neighbors, their smart TVs, their phones, their gaming consoles. All of those Wi-Fi signals are fighting for space on the same wireless channels. Think of it like traffic on a highway. If too many cars use the same lane, everything slows down. And most routers are left on automatic settings, which often choose crowded channels that kill your performance. But today, we're going to fix that. First, we need to find the least crowded Wi-Fi channel in your area. You can do this completely free. On Android, download a Wi-Fi analyzer app like Netgear Wi-Fi Analytics or any trusted Wi-Fi scanner. On Mac devices, you can use the built-in wireless diagnostics tool. Once you open the app, it will scan every nearby network and show which channels are overloaded. You'll usually see 2 frequency bands, 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz. The app will recommend the best channels with the least interference. This is the channel your router should be using, but probably isn't. Now we're going to update your router settings. Open any browser and type your router's IP address. Usually it's something like 192.168.0.1 or 192.168.1.1. Then log into your router admin panel. If you never changed the password, the login details are often printed on the router sticker itself. Once inside, go to wireless settings. You may see options for both 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz. Now look for something called channel. Most routers keep this on, automatic. That's the problem. Change it manually to the channel recommended by the Analyzer app. Then save your settings. And just like that, your router is no longer fighting with dozens of nearby networks. Now let's unlock the second hidden improvement, DNS. Most people have never heard of it, but it affects how quickly websites load. DNS works like the internet's phone book. When you type a website name, your DNS server helps your device find the correct destination. And by default, most internet providers use slower DNS servers. The fix? Switch to faster public DNS providers. The 2 best free options are Cloudflare DNS 1.1.1.1 and 1.2.0.1 or Google DNS 8.8.888 and 8.8.4.4. These are faster, more reliable, and often improve browsing responsiveness instantly. Inside your router settings, find the Internet or WAN settings section. Look for DNS settings. Then replace the default numbers with either Cloudflare or Google DNS. For example, primary DNS 1.1.1.1, secondary DNS 1.0.0.1. Save the changes and restart your router. That's it. 2 simple changes. But the speed difference can be massive. Now here's the exciting part. After applying these 2 settings, many users see dramatically faster speeds and lower latency, especially in apartments, crowded neighborhoods, or homes with many connected devices. In some cases, download speeds can jump several times higher than before. But even when raw speed doesn't massively increase, your connection usually becomes far more stable, which means less buffering, less lag, faster website loading, and smoother gaming and streaming. Want even better performance? Here are a few quick bonus tips. Number 1, never hide your router behind walls, furniture, or metal objects. Wi-Fi signals hate obstacles. Place your router in an open, central location. Number 2, restart your router at least once every few weeks. This clears temporary network issues and memory overload. Number 3. If possible, use the 5 GHz band for gaming and streaming. It's much faster than 2.4 GHz, although it has shorter range. And finally, keep your router firmware updated. Many updates improve speed, stability, and security. So before spending money on a new router or upgrading your internet plan, try these 2 settings first. Because sometimes, your internet isn't slow. It's just badly configured. If this video helped you, drop a like, subscribe, and comment your internet speed before and after trying these settings. And if you want more simple tech tricks that actually work, check out the next video on your screen right now.